Bad news first, summer is over. But the good news is, in autumn there is MOTEK. Welcome to the igus Motion Plastics booth. The worst thing that can happen in your production is an unplanned downtime. That's why igus developed already 2016 iSense, a monitoring system that is monitoring igus e-chains, chain flex cables, linear slides or bearings. And brand new, we have developed an offline version of this iSense module. That means you can integrate this module in your control system, and it doesn't matter which control system you're using. That means you can monitor all igus components with your own control in your production. Working inside of a clean room 1 environment is always a big challenge. Not so with eSkin and chain flex cables. And here in my hand I have eSkin Hybrid. That means we have combined the big benefits of eSkin Flat and of eSkin to have a complete modular system that you can open, fill additional cables and close again afterwards with a zipper system. Our series E4Q we have presented already in Hanover. You remember our super fast opening and closing chain as Lina is demonstrating here. 17 decibel less noise, 20% more load capacity and super fast assembly as you see it. This is what you get with E4Q compared to regular E4 chains. And here in MOTEK we have now increased our whole set of varieties and offerings that we have here. And also we have now these clips here in various colors. So that means you can adapt to your machine color or to your company color with that chain as well. In very tight spaces or in highly used spaces where you have a lot of traffic, you can't put the cable just on the ground. So in this case we have developed Spool Flex. You can take out the cable, you can work in your space, and then after finishing your job you can just roll it back to the spool. And this is available for 5, 10 or 15 meters for various kinds of media, for cables or for hoses, whatever you want to guide. For the toughest and hardest application in oil and gas, offshore industry, maritime industry or the civil industry, we have developed eLWT. This chain has a very high pull force and an operation reliability due to a double screw lock. But nevertheless, you can easily and quickly install or handle cables as you can open the chain and close it again. Additionally, it is shock resistant due to a PU outer body. If you ask yourself how you can fix tri-flex chains on your cobots, then I have a very cost-effective solution for you. This mountain bracket is available for 3 different chain diameters and you can easily adapt it to your arm diameter by adapting the strip of the bracket. Before we dive deeper into the Drytech news, I want to quickly introduce you to the new eLWT Improves box. Just order this box and we show you unlimited possibilities how to improve your application with eLWT bearings. Our bearing Q2E is designed for extremely high loads, and you know it also from iSense. That means you can connect it also to our iSense module and use the predictive maintenance function. And now we have it available for a lot of additional catalog types and also soon for imperial sizes. At igus we especially love to develop new products out of customer wishes. And here in my hand I hold one of these customer wishes. In extremely dirty applications, it makes sense to have a seal on the bearing, and here we offer a bearing with a felt seal or with an elastomer seal. I could start to tell you 20 minutes about our great online tools that you can calculate lifetime with or you can configure products, but you have to, I repeat, you have to try it yourself. On the Hanover Fair, I showed you already that PRT04 is much lighter and much slimmer than PRT01 and also much more cost effective. Now we have a stainless steel version that has the same attributes. 60% less weight and 50% less cost compared to the PRT01 stainless steel version. And you can get the PRT04 also with gear profile. And this is also brand new, the PRT04 with slot nut profile for highest flexibility in assembly. You know our dry spin lead through system since many years. Due to our patent on the Highheeled thread, we are reducing the noise, we are increasing the smoothness of the run, and we are increasing the lifetime. And now, brand new, we have a new size 10x3. And brand new on MOTEK is our ZLWT, our ZLW tandem. That means on this linear slide you have 2 carriages and you have 2 belt systems that you can run synchronized or completely independent. A very good application is, for example, the 7th axis of a roboter. If you want to experience motion plastics for low-cost automation, you just have to spend a couple of minutes in front of that machine. We don't have enough time to name every product, but for example, you see here a Delta robot, an igus dry-lin gantry, you see Apiro gearboxes, you see tribo tape from igus, you see E-chain systems and chain flex cables from igus, you see Zyros ball bearings, and you see eLWT bearings, all kinds of motion plastics products inside this machine. And finally, you also see 24 D1 controls from igus. This was our fast tour here on the Motion Plastics booth from igus on the MOTEK 2019 in Stuttgart. As usual, if you want to have more news, just have a look on our website. And if I can ship you that robot here for that price that you see, just drop me an email. I'm looking forward to your contact. See you next time.